Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve could not delete conversion on Messenger. When try to delete show this problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Tap on hold message app. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar. Search Google Message. Update Google Message app if available. Play Store. Go to Message app. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.